Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Tech It's Simple. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through with an easy steps on how to sign up for Opensea. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to sign up for Opensea first, make sure you've downloaded the app on your Android or your iOS devices. Once you have it, tap it open. The first interface or the main homepage of Opensea will look like this. Tap on the profile button near the bottom of the screen in order to end up in this page. In order to sign up with Opensea, you need to connect to one of the wallets over here and get started buying or selling NFTs on Opensea. You can either use your MetaMask Trust wallet or any other Ethereum address. In order to sign up for Opensea, you need three things. First, your digital currency or crypto wallet and your Opensea app. Select any wallet from the options. For example, let me tap on the Trash Wallet option. Soon after you do that, if your Trust Wallet application is signed in, then you will be able to see this kind of an interface. Tap the Connect button in order to connect one of your wallet and get started, and you'll be able to see that your wallet has been connected to Opensea. Now go back to Opensea app, and you can see that your account will be shown as unnamed and your wallet address will be shown below. That is how you can easily sign up for Opensea. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Either back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.